came here before. I think I just ran up and took a picture. I don't think I actually went on the pier. Look at Mommy always seems to be pushing the carriage uphill, but Daddy gets it going downhill all the time. How's your calves?
Good.
Good workout. What did you say? Yeah, I'll catch up with you. Oh, that guy looks like a fast food food. Yeah. Okay.
Sorry. Huh? I'm right to the extra.
Cool, dude. If you walk, you have to hold Mommy's hand. No debate. Look at the helicopter, Henry. I think he's landed on the beach. It's LAPD. Looking for someone.
Fighting to stay in office.
Gucci.
You will meet her.
You guys walking around. That's bougie people.
Tonight, rescuers search for missing people and try to reach hundreds still stranded from Taiwan's strongest earthquake in 25 years. At least 10
Dior.
South Korea's president meets the leader of the strike by thousands of
I'm a big David Yurman fan. Buy a lot of my Louis Vuitton and his magic wand. These stores have like valet pocket. Is that wild?
Yeah. See, there's Alexander McQueen.
Uh-oh. It's Lightning's mother. Or father. Alexander would be boy. That's it.
Look, what happened in Afghanistan was really the bloom coming off the roads for the Biden administration. It showed that his core promise of we've got this and we're going to be completely competent wasn't really true. But also,
like 4 or 5 story houses built in South Carolina.
Whatever happened, and we're going to obviously investigate this, is a tragedy. But the reality is, it also happened to the wrong aid workers. And what I mean by that is, Lieutenant Drees isn't just an international.
Here's the story of a man named Brady. It's the Brady Bunch house. We found it here in Los Angeles.
And so can you. Just go to Medicare.gov to get the real facts about Medicare.
Paid for by the U.S. Department.
Take the exit on the right. Tax season is upon us once again, but what do you do if you have missing returns or maybe you owe back taxes? You've heard my warnings that the IRS is back and they are in aggressive collection mode right now. Call our friends at Rush Tax Resolution. It's 20% odds of conversion. The effect is over time, up to 20%. Even a migrant shall get it 5 masks on. But now,
You know, I used to say Hollywood Land. They originally built this on because there was 13 letters, people were jumping off and committing suicide.
try and get her out. They have tried to recall her, but the successful recall.
No vehicle access to Hollywood sign. What's that mean?
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Rogerton Drive.
Uh-oh. Tighter than that.
I thought that my memory wasn't as good as it had been.
Alright, this next house we're going to, you may have seen from the 1983 movie Vacation. This is the house that Clark W. Griswold lived in. 2310 Vermont. Let's see. There's no gate in front of the house, but Clark W. Griswold Jr. You guys recognize this? It's Jerry's apartment from Seinfeld. Jerry's apartment.